Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your Osmo Action 6 as a webcam on your PC or Mac. As you can see right here, I have the Osmo Action 6 and I will be using it as a webcam. In order to do that, you will need to use a cable that is plugged into your computer and supports data transfer. Most cables do, but not all. So if your cable doesn't work, that's most likely because it doesn't support data transfer. Then open the correct door, not like I did. Open the correct ones, the ones right here. Plug in the USB-C port. So let's do it. And then the screen will ask you what to use. I'll use the webcam. And now you will see that it shows webcam on both sides. You can change whether it should be 1080p at 25 or 30 FPS or 50 to 60 FPS. Then on your computer, as I go to my computer, which I'll do right now, you will see that if I open any app that uses camera, like let's say camera app, it does work as a webcam. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.